Awesome. Brakes locked up on that corner and wiped out. It's racing. It's going to happen.
We're about to go do a lap with Brian Finch, 10-time Baja champ in this kick-ass carbon fiber Camaro.
So we're here at the Bowtie Nationals in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and we're putting on the CPP Autocross here for the show. And part of our deal is we come in with this Be of Good with Share the Ride program that I started many years ago to basically let people come and experience what we do every day. So
yeah,
cost you nothing once you're in the show. You sign a waiver, we put a helmet on, strap you into one of our machines here, and take you out for the fastest 40 miles an hour of your life. So it's a thrill ride that is unlike anything else. You know, everybody always is like, you know, man, that's better than any roller coaster I've ever ridden.
Yeah.
So it's been a great thing for the hobby, and then for, of course, all of our sponsors that partner up with us to make it happen. So we're just like a bunch of kids. We just get to go around and do as many laps as we want, putting smiles on faces, and that's what it's all about.
Killer. For people who don't know, what is autocross?
So autocross is actually, you know, a very safe and fun form of automotive racing where you can be competitive. You can actually compete, you know, in various classes. So it's around a course, usually in a big lot. Very safe, right? Just a bunch of cones. The worst thing you do is get a cone mark on the side of your car. Mm-hmm. But it teaches you car control. It teaches you, you know, how to get the most out of it. So you're always honing your skills. And no two autocrosses are the same. So everywhere you go, it's a different course layout, different challenges. Some of them are tight and technical. Some of them are wide open and fast. So it's a great way of racing, and you can do it with anything, right? It doesn't matter.
I saw somebody out here in a Silverado street truck.
Exactly.
They were ripping.
So you don't have to go spend a bunch of money on a big fancy race car to get started in the sport. You can do it with anything. You borrow your mom's minivan and come out and do it. So
that's what we were talking about yesterday. You know, you see a couple passenger cars just out here. You know, nothing done to them basically. Yeah.
I mean, I'm wondering if we should like pull a golf cart up here and just rip it around the track.
Well, we always use the golf cart as the baseline, right? So if you're not faster than the golf cart, then we'll have to have a talk. Give you a little.
I saw a couple of the guys. It looked like a couple of guys from the car show came down yesterday and we're just running their.
I mean, there was like a Hearst out here ripping, and that was pretty wild.
Well, that's the great thing about this show is it's free to come and do the CPP Autocross. So, like I said, it's just a playground out here for everybody.
Absolutely.
And if you're in the show, if you have a registered car here, all you have to do is pull up, sign a waiver, have a helmet on, and do as many laps as you want. It doesn't cost any more to come and do this. And there's a bunch of great awards. So there's awards for all different classes: Buick, Pontiac, Oldsmobile, Novas, Camaros, Corvettes. And then we also have a pro class, which is, you know, the fast guys. There's some actual purpose-built autocross vehicles here that'll be racing in the pro class for second and third trophies. So you can come out here, have a good time, and even take home some hardware.
Walk us through this contraption.
So this is my 1971 Camaro that I've had since 1991. All right, so I've had this thing longer than any of my kids, wives, dogs, houses. It's been with me the most. So this is a full custom-built, you know, pro touring car. This is actually a kind of a one-on-one because it's a full carbon fiber car. So a buddy of mine in Canada, Carbon Customs, I made all the bucks. So like these are specially faired fenders. The hood is a combination of a second-gen hood with a fifth-gen Camaro kind of rise in it. The quarter panels, the roof, inner and outer roof structure, everything's carbon fiber. So we did it just to take a bunch of weight off, and these are the only parts that were made. We didn't make more. We literally made one set of these parts to build this car. You can build a vehicle that does it all. You can take it to the dump, you can go to Lowe's, you can go to the grocery store, you can drive across country, and you can set some of the fastest laps out there.
Yeah.
You know, and
in the grocery store.
Exactly.
So now we're talking about laps on this course. What's the fast time? Like, what are you guys timing out here?
Yeah. So I think the fastest so far is this car with a 33.1.
Okay. All right.
The other fasters are 33. I think I did a 33.5 in the green truck down there. I've done a 33.6 flat in my brown or my gold truck. Bunch of 33.7s and some other ones. So the thing about autocross is, you think about Okay, a 33.6 and a 33.1, well, that's only 0.4 of a second. Well, in a 30-second course like this,
Right.
0.4 is a ton.
Percentage of time.
When you're at a super competitive level with,
Mhm.
with well-built machines, 0.4 is a lot of time. Usually it comes down to hundreds or thousands are separating the top 1 or 2 cars.
Yeah. Healing time.
You ever went for an autocross ride before? Or?
Never. First time. Autocross with Mr. Brian Finch. Baja legend. 71 Camaro.
Ready?
Yeah. Quickest lap on this you've had?
I went on 33.3 yesterday.
You think you can do it again?
I went a 33.9 right then. I don't know.
I mean, I feel like Ricky Bobby, like a bald eagle right now. It's freaking, he's gonna take us on the quickest lap he's ever been on.
Yep. Going for it.
I'm ready.
Oh my God!
33.9.
Woo! That is a legitimate rocket ship. I mean, my God.
It should be about a half second faster, but that's pretty good. That's a pretty good lap early. Woo! 3 or 4 sessions in.
That was crazy. That was like a rocket ship. I mean, fastest. How fast did we get?
I don't know. We may hit 50 once or twice.
The fastest 50 I've ever gone.
It's first gear, but it's so high geared. I can run the 60 at first.
That's wild. Walk us around this if you don't
All right,
mind.
so
What
this
are
is a 64 Corvette with the SR3 chassis. It has C7 control arm, suspension, brakes, Tillet carbon seats, LS7 out of a newer model 06, 07, Z06, full sequential PPG transmission. I mean, you just bang gears, up, down, that's all you gotta do.
Yeah.
It's all electronic. Forged line wheels, bare brakes. The original car is all original. It's got widened quarters and fenders, but other than that, it's original bumpers, original glass in the car when I bought it. Just took it off the frame and went through it and redone it.
Nice. So what did this car look like when you started? Was it somewhat of a race car? Or was
No, it was just a bone stock, orange semi-driver. It ran and drove, but I would probably not tuck it down the road, honestly. But yeah.
Now you can take it down.
It was about a 1.5 year build. I got it done in early 17 and been racing ever since.
All right, Joe. It was really a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Man.
Absolutely. Anytime.
Killed it.
Thank you.
if you guys haven't been out to Bowtie Nationals, come hop in a ride. It'll be the craziest 33 seconds of your life.
Oh, absolutely.
It's wild.
I'm here with Gerald, Gregory, longtime friend of Camaro, Central Firebird, Central Road Star Central. We're out here at the share the ride event and ripping around some Camaros and trucks and stuff. What are you driving out here?
I've got a 1971 GMC C10 with a Corvette LT4 with a 10-speed automatic in it, built on a Apex Predator chassis.
Apex Predator chassis? Is that just like you guys or they make a frame?
Yeah, the first guy that you guys rode with that done the first interview, Brian Finch, he owns that company. He's the one that builds the chassis.
Okay. Are all these trucks kind of running the same, similar chassis?
All of them are running Apex Predator chassis.
Sweet. They're ripping around here. It's killer.
I don't know if you caught my first lap out there, but I spun out.
Was that you?
Toward my bedside up. Did you see that?
Yeah, I was up there filming.
Yeah,
I saw you swing wide and got the bed into the pole out there.
It costs to go to school, you know?
Absolutely. Learning lessons every day.
You learn a new lesson every day.
I've never been in a high-performance race car before. It's a wild feeling.
It is.
It's way better than like any roller coaster or anything you're ever going to go on. No joke. You feel like you're going into the wall the whole time, basically.
Yeah. When you're standing here at the wall and you're watching it, it don't actually look like you're going that fast.
No.
But when you're riding that car, you're thinking, you're not going to make this turn. You're not going to make this turn. And
That
all of a sudden you just go around.
That first hit of speed I got out of there, I was like, whoa. Even if you're not into cars or anything, just come out here and do this.
Just have a ride, man.
Yeah,
It's
have
so
a ride.
fun.
So if you saw Gerald hit that pole, bam. Didn't look like much, but it turned out to be a little bit of damage. That's going to do it for us. 2026 Bowtie Nationals. It's got everything. We've got the drag racing. We've got the autocross. If you haven't been out here, could not recommend it more. Whether you're, just getting into cars, whatever. You can bring your car out here, rip it around. You can come get a ride with Brian and Joe and everybody at Share the Ride. It's a great experience. Couldn't recommend it more. Come out. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we couldn't. It was awesome. I mean, ripping around that track, insane. We definitely want to give a big shout out to the BF Goodrich team, the Share the Ride. They have an awesome program going here. Gerald and Joe and Brian hooked us up. They were great. I mean, it was
I literally can't get the smile off my face from running around this track. It's a ton of fun. I cannot tell you how fun it is. You just got to come do it. When you're looking out here at these cars, it doesn't look like they're necessarily going that fast. But when you're inside of one, it is an insane speed.
I mean, it's violent. You're getting thrown around. I mean,
the wall is coming at you very quick.
fast.
Yeah, it's great. Couldn't recommend it more. Everybody come out and do this.